guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day. I have not been on YouTube for a while again. I know I took a little break, but I do have some good news. So starting today, we are going to do the whole month of December of nothing but hauls. So if you love hauls, then that's all we're going to do this month. I'm going to do 31 days of nothing but hauls. So no sample Sunday, unfortunately. That will be coming back at the beginning of the new year. But we have 31 hauls coming for you guys. And today we're starting with one of my favorite subscription boxes, which is FabFitFun. Technically, I didn't select each item, but it's still a haul because it's items that I'm getting, so it's still a haul. So hopefully you guys enjoy today's video and stay tuned for the next 31 days of nothing but hauls. All right, so we're gonna start with, I have my fall one, I think it is. So I never opened my fall box. It's still sitting here squished. I'm not sure how it got squished, but it's squished. So we're gonna open that one first. So let me put this one somewhere else. This is my winter box. I need to move that one around. Oops. I've got so much stuff to haul with you guys. It's ridiculous. My room looks like a giant storage unit. So hopefully, like I said, you guys are up for some hauls. All right, here is the fall one. Let's go ahead and cut it open. Let's see, how do I cut it open? Let me find my cutter here. I feel like my lighting might be a little off today. Let's see if we can fix the lighting here. That should be a little better. Hopefully that improved it some. I don't know, you'll have to let me know. Okay, let's see what we have here. Oh my goodness. All right, so the fall box looks like this. I have no idea what's in here. Hopefully it's some things that I can actually use or possibly gift for the holiday season. So I have a magazine, and I think they stopped adding any information to the magazines. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. I'll probably have to go into my FabFitFun and find the pricing, and I'll just let you guys know what the pricing is. Oh, something's out of the box. So the first thing I see here is actually out of the box. It's a Nars blush in the shade Deep Throat. So I don't think I have the shade. I have the original, which was the Orgasm shade. So here's what Deep Throat looks like. It's a really pretty color. I like that it's more matte. It's not as shimmery as Orgasm is. So there's what it looks like. It's got a little bit of a shimmer to it though, doesn't it? Yeah, it's got a little bit of shimmer. So that is a pretty blush. And let me see if I can go ahead and pull up my information here on my FabFitFun. Let's see. Organization. Nope. Subscription boxes. That's not a real word, is it? Okay, boxes. Let's see. That's my winter box. Home. Let's see. Do I need to sign in? Orders. Let's see if it'll show me. Yep, here we go. Here we go. So it says that I chose that actual blush because I customized. Oh, okay, so I customized this entire box. So I think if you are now a annual member, you can customize the entire box. So evidently I picked everything out in here. I just don't remember what I picked. So let's see. I don't know if it shows me pricing though. Let's see. Order details, shipments. Nope, it doesn't give me pricing for it, which is unfortunate. So we're just gonna go over everything, and I'll put the information in the description box below for you guys. Okay, so again, the Nars Orgasm Blush, which I know that's a good price for that because Nars products are pretty expensive. It's considered high-end makeup. The next thing in here is a Free People two-piece set of packing cubes, which is gonna be great because I'm planning a trip soon. So this would be great for the trip that we're going on. Let's see what these look like. Oh, these are cute. I like the design, like the pattern to it. That's a really cute pattern. It's very different. And that's a nice size packing cube too. So that's a really decent size. You could put lots of clothes or shoes in there. So then we have another packing cube, and this one's just the original one pattern. So this one doesn't have multiple patterns like the other one. So they're different sizes though. So you've got a bigger one and a smaller one, and they both say Free People. So I'm excited about those. Those are really cute. All right, the next thing in here is from Glow Recipe. This is the Watermelon Juice Pink Juice Moisturizer. I really love anything that smells like the fresh fruits of summer. So this is very exciting, and I think I've tried this before and I'm pretty sure I loved it. And I'm thinking this is like in the $40 range. So this by itself would have technically almost paid for the box, because FabFitFun, as you guys know, is $50 every quarter. The next thing is the Bausch & Lomb Lumify. These are the eye drops. These drops work really well if you have a lot of like discoloration in your eyeballs. So like sometimes my eyes don't look very white. The white doesn't look super white. So this really helps my eyes look a lot brighter. But I will tell you guys, if you use these for a while, it does tend to kind of irritate your contact. So just be careful with that. It's not anything bad, but it definitely does cause a slight irritation. The next thing is from Whish. This is the Mineral Milk Bath. It's a gentle cleanse. It has rose hip and lotus. Let's see what this smells like. I do love me some rose hip. I do love me some lotus. Oh my gosh. That smells phenomenal. I want to go take a bath now. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It says it's supposed to moisturize and soften your skin, helps to soothe your skin, and it gently cleanses. Ooh, I love a good milk bath too. I think the only other time I've tried a milk bath product was from Victoria's Secret. So they had a milk bath. Was it Victoria's Secret or was it Bath and Body Works? I don't remember. It was one of those two, and it was very nice. It definitely makes your bath water look very milky, and it feels very soft on your skin. So I love that. The next thing is from Dr. Brandt. This is a hydrating essence. It's to tone, soothe, and revitalize. Close your eyes and spray it evenly on cleansed skin, holding the bottle about 6 inches. I was kind of hoping this could go over top of makeup. I was going to spray it over top, but it doesn't appear that that's what you're supposed to use it for. It has no scent to it, so which is nice, because I know not everybody loves scented products. I do, but not everybody does. So it's not scented, which is very nice. All right, and last thing in the box is this right here. This is from Glossier. This is the birthdaybalm.com. Ooh, it's a universal skin salve. So it says swipe onto your lips for a loving layer of moisturizing, nourishing moisture. I can't speak. That sounded like a tongue twister, even though it wasn't a tongue twister. I turned it into a tongue twister. So here's what the packaging looks like. It's very pretty. Let's see. It has just a little squeezy tube type thing here. So it's not something you just rub directly onto your lips. You just squeeze it onto your lips. Or you squeeze it onto your finger and then put it onto your lips. So that is everything in my fall box. I'm sorry that it took me so long to get you guys what was in my fall box, but we finally see it. So hopefully that helps a little bit, so you know what was in the fall box compared to what's in the winter box. I do believe usually the fall and winter boxes are the best for FabFitFun. I do remember adding some add-ons for this box, the winter box, just because there was a skincare product that I knew. I'm thinking it's skincare. There was something that I added on. I don't remember what it was, let's be honest. But I added it on, so we'll see what's in here. All right, so here is the winter box. Let's see if I can cut it open here. Ooh. My cutter wasn't doing so good. Or maybe it's the user. All right, so we have here another magazine. And again, I don't think the magazine is going to give us any information on pricing. No. Unfortunately, I don't know why they stopped doing that. I feel like they should still let us know pricing in these magazines, even though I know it's very simple to go into your FabFitFun thing and find out the information. I just feel like the magazines are kind of worthless now. I mean, I know they're probably fun as like a bathroom read, but other than that. All right, so we've got quite a bit of things in here. It wasn't skincare, it was hair care that I saw in there. So I see it automatically, the things I added on. So I added on the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray. You guys know I used to not really love Living Proof because I felt like Living Proof smelled like pepper, and pepper is not one of my favorite scents. So I'm hoping this doesn't smell like pepper. It says it goes beyond moisture for strength, smoothness, and shine. Let's see what it smells like. My hands are a little purple today. It's because I used my purple shampoo and it stained my hands. Lovely. Oh, it definitely smells like pepper, but it's not that bad. And I think I'm kind of getting used to the smell of it. Plus, I feel like Living Proof products are really nice for your hair. So this was just an add-on, and if I remember correctly, it was at least half off. So if you ever are looking for some high-end hair care or skincare, definitely check their add-on section because you can get some fantastic deals in that area. And then I also added on the Living Proof Curl Definer. I'm trying to, well, I'm not trying to yet, but I'm planning to go more natural with my hair. My hair is naturally like wavy, And I think if I did the curly curl method, this might be helpful to see if I can get some actual curl to my hair without actually having to blow dry it and process it as much as I have been. That might be healthier for my hair. I don't know. But that was another add-on. All right, so this is actually in the box. This is the Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. It lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. It's by Let's FaceTime. Lift Aceology. No, it's by Aceology. I was wrong. So here's what the packaging looks like. I've never heard of this mask before. Cleanse your skin, squeeze mask onto your finger or applicator, apply a thin layer, evenly face avoiding area, relax for 20 minutes and gently peel off from the edges. Oh, it's a peel off mask. Oh, I love peel off masks. I don't know about you guys, but something about a good peel off mask is fun. I don't know why, it just is. It's like kind of relaxing to sit there after it dries and you just start peeling it off. I don't know. But it also can be like irritating when it doesn't peel off correctly and then you've got little pieces stuck on. So hopefully it peels off very well. The next thing is from Herbivore. This is the Aquarius. This is a pore purifying clarity cream. You guys know I suffer with acne. I still have that issue. I still suffer with acne issues. So hopefully this will help to clear up some of my issues I'm still dealing with at my age, which is unfortunate. Massage onto your skin after cleansing and apply serum. Use AM and PM. Oh, do not get it near your eyes. So just be careful with it around your eyes. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, the packaging is really pretty. Look at that. That is so pretty. I love it. My hands look really purple right now. Looks like I have really poor circulation. That's not what it is. All right, the next thing, let's throw this out. The next thing is from Ouai. This is a detox shampoo for all hair types. And I know that detoxing your hair or clarifying your hair is very good. So for me, I have dry skin, dry scalp, everything. So I'm hoping this detoxifying thing will help to clear up some of my dry scalp issue. I don't know if it will or not, but it's cool to try it, right? And it came in the box, so let's see what it smells like. I do love Ouai. I think Ouai is a very good brand. Oh, it smells good. It's just got like a little bit of a honey smell to it. I'm not sure why, but it's got a little bit of a honey smell, and you guys know, or maybe you don't know. I do not like the smell of honey. Ugh. All right, then we have the Ouai Scalp Massager. It has a scalp massager in here, which is supposedly the best way to wash your hair. I don't know. I have one, but I've only used it a handful of times, so I need to start using it more often to see if it helps with the buildup of dry skin that I get on my scalp. Maybe that's what's going to help it. The next thing, so anyway, this is the Ole Henriksen Transform Glow 2O. I think that's what you say. This is a dark spot toner. I have used this plenty of times in my past. I love this toner. I'm not sure if this was an add-on or if it was a actual item in my box. All that information will be listed below for you guys, but I'm not sure what the deal on this is. So it says it does transform fine lines and wrinkles and evens your texture. I do love this toner. I feel like it works really well. It does leave a tingling sensation onto your skin. Some people do not like that tingle. Some people don't mind it. For me, I don't mind it. So the next thing is from L'Occitane. I can never pronounce this company. This is the hand cream. This is for dry skin. It's the Cream Menace. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But this is another thing that I absolutely love. This is like a fall favorite or a winter favorite for me. Like there's a lot of things in here I know I already love. So this box is making me very happy, let's be honest. So my hands are always dry, so I'm always looking for a good hand cream. And I feel like the L'Occitane, however you pronounce it, their hand creams work really well for me and they smell nice. So the next thing is the Pixi Skin Treats Retinol Tonic. This is a retinol and jasmine flower smoothing toner. I think this was an add-on. I'm pretty sure. I wish I knew. I was better informed for you guys today, but I just don't know. So honestly, it's hard to find anything on my FabFitFun spot. So I'm not sure how I'm going to find all this out, what I added on and what I didn't. Let's see if I can find some information quick while I sit there and say that, because it might just be there and I'm just not looking correctly. Let's see. Okay, winter. Okay, customize add-ons or... Okay, so I did do 2 additional choices. One additional choice was this right here, the Herbivore. This was an additional choice. It charged me $8 for that. The lifting Mask was an additional choice. I paid $10 for the Herbivore and $8 for this. And then the curl definer and the two things from Living Proof, I paid $15 for the perfecting spray. And for this right here, which I'm just realizing is leaking everywhere, the curl definer, I paid $19 for, which is definitely cheaper than buying it through Ulta or Sephora. So it's still a great deal. I just wish it wasn't leaking, because I can see that leaking in the lid there. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see. See, it's all over the lid. Looks lovely. Okay, so those were my add-ons. But it still is not showing me pricing here, which I wish it would show you that. Pricing of anything else is not showing you. So unfortunately, it's still not showing me pricing. The next thing is this right here. This is from Laneige. This is the Laneige Lip Treatment Balm. I love Laneige for lip treatment because I find that it really does do a good job and it smells so lovely on your lips. So I'm excited to have this for the winter. I keep usually a lip treatment beside my bed at all times. So here's what this looks like. It does have like a little spatula on the side here you pull out, and that's how you apply the lip treatment to your lips. So super excited about having that again. And then the last thing is from Coach. Coach is a brand that I used to purchase a lot from. I have a lot of purses, I have their wallets, I have jackets, I have shoes, I have all kinds of stuff from Coach. So I'm excited to see what's in this little bag here. What is this? Oh, oh, it's earrings. Oh, these are cute. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's what the earrings look like. They have the little C's as well as like little studs. So hopefully you guys can see them very well. Not sure. Okay. So it's got the little C's for the logo of Coach and then the little diamond studs. So perfect for wearing to like as a complimentary earring. So right now I'm wearing these big, these are from Betsy Johnson. So I'm wearing these. They would have gone really well in my second haul. Either one of these would have. So very cute. Anyway, that is everything I got in my winter as well as my fall FabFitFuns. Let me know, do you guys still get FabFitFun, or are you just over subscription boxes altogether? I have narrowed down to where I don't have many anymore. So this is probably still going to be one that I keep regardless, because I find that usually you get a really good value for what you pay. So I do love FabFitFun. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions though. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll catch you guys later.